Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to convert a Google Sheet document into a Microsoft Excel document. So go ahead and open up the Google Sheet document you want to convert to Excel, and then go up to File, then to Download, and then select Microsoft Excel.xlsx. This will download and convert the document over to Excel for you. As you can see in the bottom left, it's already done so for me. If this option does not appear, if the download option in the bottom of your screen does not appear, make your way over to File Explorer, go to Downloads, and it should be the next download in your Downloads folder. You can go ahead and open it, and it's going to open up in Excel. You will need to have Microsoft Excel to make any modifications to the document. I do not have Microsoft Excel on this computer, so I cannot change anything. I can only view the document in the Excel format. But if I had Microsoft Office and Microsoft Excel, I could continue to work on this file in Excel. And that's a quick video on how to convert a Google Sheets document into a Microsoft Excel document. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.